Hey, so today I am doing a Heaven Panty unboxing. Heaven Panty is a panties subscription where you can receive panties every month for as low as $5.99. Now, when you go on their website, you will be getting a little bit of a quiz so they could get to know what type of styles that you like and they could ship those out to you. And it also looks like you can actually get your first month free. This is what I saw on their website, so I will be linking that down below if you would like to check it out, if you would like to get into an inexpensive panties subscription. Let's get into it. Right, so in my envelope, I ended up getting this little card that pretty much introduces the company. It says, "Welcome to Heaven Panty. I am so glad to have you join our family. Gone are the days of digging into a pile of panties to find what you desire. Heaven Panty curates personalized panties delivered to your door at an affordable price. I hope you'll fall in love with the trial Heaven Panty that I've picked for you. I've also included a complimentary tape measure just in case you want to double check your size. Any concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us at," and then their email. And then it says, "P.S. Please refer to the back page for some useful links and opportunities to get up to 150% off your next 3 orders." And then it says XOXO and then signed by my stylist. And then of course, like it mentions in the back, it has these little codes. And then yes, it did come with a measuring tape, which is kind of cool. Ooh, yeah, so that's kind of cool. All right, so first thing I have to say about this subscription is that I love the packaging. Now, it did come in another big envelope. I already took it out the envelope, even though I have not seen yet what I have in here. So this is what, let me try to hide this real quick. So this is what the packaging inside the envelope ended up looking like, and the part that I'm hiding is transparent, so it can give you a little sneak peek of, you know, the fabric. So let me open this and see what I've got to work with. But before I go in, it looks like this might be a thong because it says this word right here. Like in Creole, thonga means thong. So I don't know, but I'm gonna get inside and check. But this is of course in my size, and it says this is the pattern green seamless. So oh, inside it's like super shiny with the packaging. Okay, so it is just one on the inside. So looks like I received the $5.99 package. Oh, these are so pretty. These are giving me like super Hindi vibes. Like, these are so pretty. They're very stretchy. They seem like they are really comfortable. Oh, they're also very breathable. Like on the inside, if you look very closely, you can see like tiny little holes in there. That is really nice. So this is definitely ideal for me. First of all, it's really cute. I love the color, and it is more of like a bikini style rather than a thong like I was expecting. But this is definitely not gonna be covering my whole booty. I know that for sure. So this is what they ended up looking like. All right, so when I was first looking at the panties, they did look a little small for my size. I picked a size medium because that's my typical size, but I just put them on and they fit so perfectly. Like they feel like they were made with my body in mind. So I'm a pretty, you know, slim person, but I don't really have much of a booty, but everything sits properly and It's not tight. It is definitely breathable. And yeah, so pretty much it's a really good experience with my first unboxing. So yeah, if you are going to check out this company, I will leave their link in the description box. If you're gonna check out their subscription box, you know, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, pretty much this is it for the video. So please be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, then click that notification bell so you do not miss out the next time baby girl posts something dope. See y'all in the next one. Peace.